Is your CMDB the single source of truth it should be? The reality is that your CMDB is meant to be the source of truth. However, coverage gaps, blind spots, and conflicts often lead to incomplete, outdated, and an untrusted CMDB. That's where Axonius comes in to help you work smarter. Think of Axonius as the perfect complement to your CMDB. Through our massive adapter network, we're talking over 1,200 integrations. Axonius gathers data from all your CIs and takes your traditional static CMDB and transforms it into a dynamic, context-rich source of truth. CMDB reconciliation with Axonius is really about giving you a complete, accurate, and dynamic CMDB. Take a look. Here we are in Axonius, where we built out a few dashboards. On the left, we can see everything that's in the CMDB, all your devices, servers, workstations, mobile devices, and software. And on the right, we can also see what's not in the CMDB, but exists in other tools. Now that we've identified what's missing from your CMDB, the next question is, how accurate is this information? Are there conflicting details or missing attributes like a MAC address? Or is something retired but still active on the network? Once you've got completeness and accuracy, how do you keep things up to date? That's the dynamic component, which takes us to the Enforcement Center, where we can take action to populate or update your CMDB. Within the configuration of an enforcement, you define field mappings between your CMDB and Axonius. You can also set a preference for data sources. Say for instance, you want the asset name to come from Axonius, but the serial number to come from CrowdStrike. With Axonius in your CMDB, asset management isn't just a static inventory, it's a complete set of asset, business, and threat context in a single place, empowering you to take action. Head over to Axonius.com to request a demo and learn more.